Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your love read. Pisces, let's see what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, Pisces, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Pisces, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, let's start setting down two sets of cards here, Pisces. One for you, one for your person, and in the center I'll have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies, etc. Okay. For the duration of the reading, Pisces, I will be calling this side person A, this side person B. Now if this is your story, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Bottom of my deck, ooh, I have the Empress here, Pisces. Is that you? Sitting strong on your throne? But somebody does see this Empress and wants to have growth and abundance. They don't want to let this go. They've made some very foolish choices maybe in the past, but holding on for dear life. Maybe they had a fear of change. Maybe they didn't want their life to change. But from what I see, they don't want this chapter shut down with this Empress either. Where the other person is concerned, I think that could be this Empress who probably walked away because the person was never showing them any commitment or long-term stability. That offer was not made. It kind of pissed this Empress off. I think this is the Empress who's walked away now. So let's see what happens here. Pisces, let's start with your dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start your reading. Pisces, at their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Pisces and their person, thank you. Pisces and their person. One more. Alright, let's take a few more from another deck, Pisces. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person spirit. One more. Alright, good to go, Pisces. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I cried all night wondering why you weren't sleeping next to me. I pray for you all the time and do healing work on your behalf. I get defensive when I feel you getting too close for comfort. So we have a runner here, it seems. I'm considering moving on with a soulmate, but I really don't want to have to. Manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. I wish I could take back all the hurtful things I said to you. Secretly doing things behind your back. I let my temptations get the best of me. I got sidetracked. So Pisces, these were some of the messages. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I am going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Thank you. And the card we have here is Mother. So, well, some of you, your mothers could be playing an important role in guiding you. But this card for me actually just means taking care of yourself. When you go through so much stress, so much devastation, it's time to give yourself a little break and nurture and heal yourself. It's time to take care of you. Or maybe the other person is now missing the nurturing of this Empress, I don't know. Let's see. So I'm going to start with the energies of person A, Pisces. Let's see what they're going through, then we'll move on to the other side. So person A, why do you have the Hermit in reverse? Why do you have the Hermit in reverse? Well, they are now wanting to go back. They're missing their person. They're having very, very sweet memories that they're remembering. Six of Cups is a soulmate card, wanting to come back to your soulmate, remembering all the sweet good times that one had with their soulmate, right? Somebody is feeling, oh my God, I'm so embarrassed, I'm so ashamed of all the things I did and said. And yes, I made some very, very unwise decisions. Death in reverse. So why do you have the Death in reverse then? Why do you have the Death in reverse, person A? Well, they, as much as it seems, they haven't stopped waiting or looking or spying on person B. They do want to work things out. They don't want to end this connection, I guess. Death in reverse is not wanting to close down a chapter, not wanting things to end. And I see the same card here twice with the World in reverse as well. This is again wanting another go around or not wanting to shut a chapter down. So what happened, person A? What happened in the recent past that you're feeling this way now? What did you do that you're feeling ashamed and embarrassed? And Queen of Wands in reverse. Well, either they upset their person by leaving them out in the cold or not taking action towards their person. Ace of Wands in reverse. Or they could have done something with a third party which they're ashamed of now, very stressed out about. Maybe they chose something else and not this Empress. Maybe, when I say choose somebody else, could be anything. Could be another person, could be their job or work or anything. But they did not make that effort to move. When the time was right, maybe they left that person out in the cold and they were afraid to take action. Yes, this person could have been working on something else, or maybe their person expected them to put in some work, maybe expected like a renewal of this connection or something, but they dashed their hopes. Some wishes never came true because of one person's stress or overthinking or leaving their person out in the cold for some reason or the other, which really angered their person. So how do you feel about this situation now, person A? How do you feel about your person? Like I said, the World is in reverse, so they are realizing that their pride or ego or something, they held back and they never gave to the connection in the past. They do want to end this fight here now, Pisces. They do want to offer a stable, brand new beginning. They don't want this chapter to shut down. Hanged Man in reverse. Why do you feel this way, person A? Hanged Man in reverse. They feel that they weren't enlightened enough to the connection. This is what they're telling me. Yes, I did make some very unwise and foolish mistakes in my past. Second time, the Hermit in reverse, right? But they do want to come out of this Hermit mode now. They do want to come out of feeling stuck, right? So this person is healing, or at least they are being guided now in the right direction. The only problem is, person A says, my person already walked away. So all I can do is hope and pray and wish for things not to shut down. Yes, Death in reverse again. My God, how many duplicating cards for person A? The Death card twice in reverse and the Hermit card twice in reverse. This is like this person is adamant that they don't want something to shut down, but the problem here is that they feel their person walked away and they know that they are the cause of this tower falling, and now they feel released. But from what I feel, this person does want to rebuild now. They don't want to hold back anymore. They do want to, open up. So will they take any action towards that? I'll open later, Pisces. Let's go on to the other side and see what's happening. So person B, why do you have the Eight of Cups? Where are you going? Okay, so person A tells me, well, I didn't want to leave, to be honest, but we had this massive showdown, or we always did, where my person was always being like a dictator in my life, always trying to put me down and show me down, and always be prideful and egoistic. They said some or did some pretty nasty stuff to me. I had no option. I had no option but to walk away. Yes, I had to shut this chapter down, bring it to a bit of a stagnancy, and yes, shut this chapter down. World card upright. Why is that? Why is the Hierophant in reverse? Why is the Hierophant in reverse? Same thing again. They never offered me commitment. They were cold. They were heartless. King of Swords in reverse and the King of Cups in reverse. They emotionally manipulated me, kept me stuck for a very long time, never opened up their emotions to me, and when they did, they were very hurtful, and they only showed me the bad emotions and never the good ones. So I figured they don't want commitment with me, so what choice do I have? I might as well move on. So what happened in the recent past, Pisces? Person B, for you to be feeling this way? Eight of Swords. Person B feels, I knew this connection in the 5D world or in my mind was my happiness. I mean, I did visualize a future which could have been beautiful. I did so want, them to turn up as the King of Pentacles, be my equal counterpart, take charge of this connection and give to this connection so we could go for the long term. But you know what? They left me out all the time. It was just me and myself, always in my head, wondering whether they would ever come, whether they would all level up ever, whether they would ever heal my broken heart, give me that happiness, be the person that I know that they can be or they could have been. But guess what? All they did was create drama in my life. They came in as the Knight of Wands in reverse. This is like always creating drama, leaving whenever they want to, not communicating properly. I never knew where they were, what they were doing, who they were with, whether they had third parties. I was always kind of stressed out. And yes, they were very, very selfish and very self-centered as well. So how do you feel about this connection now, person B? Person B has the Ten of Swords. They feel I feel betrayed, I feel let down because they never ever stepped up to offer me what I deserved, the commitment. So then why do you have the Judgment card, person B? Okay, person B is saying, I have made a choice to have a rebirth of my life. I am rising from the dead, literally. This is like rising from the dead rising. Rising to what? They're rising to themselves. They're becoming so confident in themselves. They may be moving on. They've got their confidence back. They've realized, hey, I can still have a great life with or without the person who was messing with my head. If they can't make a choice, I'm making it for them. I'm not going to be part of their competition, part of their many people. If they are unable to choose between all their options, then I'm pulling myself out of that running, right? I'm not going to spend the rest of my life looking back and having that regret and sorrow and sadness. I'm pulling myself out. I've suddenly discovered I don't need anything from them. I am still great. I'm the Empress, for God's sake. I attract. I don't chase anyone. That's wonderful. So let's see what's going to happen now. Let's see what actions you guys will take towards each other or otherwise. We're going to take a separate deck for this one, Pisces. And of course, at this time I'm going to request you, if you are still here, which you are, you're listening to me, right? That means it's entertaining you, if nothing else. If you could just click that like button, it would really help the videos to circulate, and it also makes me really happy. And Pisces, if you're new here, if you are planning to, subscribe and be part of us, don't forget to press that notification bell, because then you'll get notified. You won't miss any of the future videos. Though your next one will be next Friday, 4 p.m. IST. So let's start. Person A, what's the action that you'll take? Seven of Swords is still in. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that in action? Why are they still being sneaky? Why is that an action person A will take? Okay. One more. Wow, the Empress is out again, twice. Okay, so the problem here is for person A, the action they are intending to take. If I think this person has a lot of love. They do have a lot of love, but I think they have a problem showing it. Even more so, because now they know that they haven't offered that offer in the past. Now they are bored, lonely, sad, but they are kind of doubting that they might be the ones who will now get left behind. They kind of intuitively feeling that this Empress has really glowed up now. What if I do go and tell them? What if I go do talk to them and then I get rejected? So I think with all this love in their heart, they are sitting quiet. They're not saying anything. So will they take any action at all, Spirit, or they're going to just sit there? Any action from person A? Three of Cups. Well, the reunion. This is the reunion card, but they may do it in a sneaky way, Spirit says. They may not come right out and say, hey, I'm sorry and I want you and I want to marry you or whatever. This person may do it in a sneaky way where they don't have to feel rejected, or they're in awe of this Empress now. They know this Empress is holding all the balls in their court now. So what is the sneaky way? Can you give us any indication? What will this person try and do to have that reunion, but in a sneaky way, right? So what do they intend to do? What do they intend to do, Spirit? What do they intend to do? Will they message? Will they show up? Well, they may reach out, but in a very, very small way, Spirit says. Page of Pentacles. This is like a really slow and small gesture. Could be just a like on your social media picture, or maybe a forward on WhatsApp or something like that. Like a really, really tiny, just getting their finger wet to say, is this Empress going to burn them or throw them out or what? So just be mindful of that. Person B, what about you? Will you take any action? Two of Wands. Why is that an action? Why is that an action? Okay, person B. Person B. Okay, one more. Oops, beautiful. Person B says, what? Page of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. I'm looking forward to the Ace of Pentacles. I'm looking for that solid offer once and for all to come towards me, because you know what? I'm the Empress. I don't need to choose. I have so many different directions going, and I know that sooner or later, if not already, I'm going to have people fighting for my attention. I know that. I'm not the one who has to decide right at this moment, because I am the Empress. I'm going towards my 10 of Pentacles. And I'm going to wait and watch. You think I'm going to invest in anyone who's going to not invest back with me? I'm going to sit here and allow people to fight over me, show me what they have, and guess what? I'm going to go with the one who gives me the Ace of Pentacles now, because that Ace of Pentacles is what I'm going to build with to reach my 10 of Pentacles. Bravo, person B. Great. The person B has really taken care of themselves. That's all I can say. Now, person A, if you go with that little teeny weeny bit of a pentacle, that's not going to work. You'll have to fight for this Empress now. They're open. I don't see person B closed out or closed off. But they need a bigger offer than this little one. Look at the difference in this. And person B wants the 10. So only this can grow to this, right? This little one is going to take forever. That's all I have for you, Pisces. Keep glowing, keep moving, keep charging ahead. The chariot, you're sitting on a chariot, person B if you're Pisces, but if you are not, then of course you have a lot of work to do. But person B, don't delay it. I mean, person A, don't delay it, because this Empress is hot property right now. Okay? That's it. Till next time then, see you on Saturday now. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.